Russell Brunson's 30 Days Challenge has helped me to identify the world's greatest business model. Hi, my name is Srinath Vishwanath, and today I'm going to share with you my personal experience in attending the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is the 30 Days Challenge, in which Russell and his team will be guiding us the step-by-step process to create our business, to build our business, to build our websites and everything. Okay, everything related about creating an online business. Okay, now do you know what is the greatest business model in the world? It is selling digital informational products. Yes, for example, if we are selling some kind of physical products, whatever it is, everything, if you are selling some kind of physical products, we should be investing in the purchasing of the product, right? To sell some kind of physical products, we should be investing to get the product first, right? We should have some money, we should take some money and go to some kind of the market, and we should purchase the products in bulk first, so that we can sell, whether it's online or offline. Okay, the process, we should be investing some money to get the product first. But in the case of digital products, it can be like some kind of courses, some kind of some kind of ebook, or else it can be some kind of cheat sheets, whatever. Everything is informational and everything is digital, right? So to get the digital products, we no need to invest into something, we no need to invest of buying the products, right? Because there is nothing physical. So there is no investment cost to this business. We can start this digital business with literally 0 rupees needed. Yes, because for example, if you are selling some kind of course, okay, now we will be creating the course by sitting in front of a camera just once, right? And by investing our time, we no need to invest into anything to create course, right? Because nowadays every mobile can shoot in like full HD, right? We can just on our mobile and keep it to some kind of tripod, and we can just record all the videos that we needed for our course. Okay, here we are only investing some time from our life to create that digital course. Okay, digital product, it is our product, right? Anyhow, digital course, right? We haven't invested any money into it. Now we can sell that course to hundreds of thousands of lakhs of people. Okay, it's not like physical products. In physical products, if you want to sell like 100 products of this specific mouse, for example, we need to purchase 100 mouse first, right? We need to invest in purchasing of 100 mouse, so that we can sell, so that we can add our profit and sell it to 100 people, right? But when it comes to digital products, we no need to purchase anything, we no need to buy anything from out of the from the market or from anything. Not, we no need to buy anything, right? All we need to have is the knowledge to share, right? So when we created the course to sell it to 100 people, we can sell the same course to 100 people. To sell it to 1 lakh people, we can sell this same course to 1 lakh people, right? We don't need to create the course 100 times to sell it to 100 people, right? We will be creating only once, and we can sell it to n number of people, n number of sales, thousands of lakhs of millions of people. We can sell the same course, right? So that is why it is identified as world's greatest business model, because we no need to invest anything, right? When we are selling our courses, or when we are selling our ebooks, every money we are charging from our customers is pure profit. But in the case of physical products, if I bought this product for 100 rupees, and if I added my margin like 100 rupees extra, and if I sold this product to 200 rupees, then in that 200, my actual profit is only 100 rupees, because we should remove the actual product cost, right? But in the case of digital products, there is no actual product cost. If you sell your course for 200 rupees, the complete 200 rupees is pure profit. There is no investment, there is no product cost in the 200 rupees, right? So that is why this business model is identified as one of the greatest business models in the world. Now, how you and me, the people like us, can start this type of digital informational business model? So as I said in my previous videos, we should be good at something so that we can teach it to people. Okay, so to enter into this type of business, we should be good at something, we should have the knowledge about something, any field, any niche that you selected. It can be anything, it can be cooking, it can be video making, it can be digital marketing, Facebook ads, creation of websites, coding, dancing, jumping. It can be as simple as possible and it also can be as professional as possible. Okay, we should be good at something so that we can create some kind of ebook or else some kind of digital course once, and we can sell it to thousands of lakhs of people, and everything we are charging from our customers is pure profit. Okay, now you may be like, but I don't know what I'm good at, right? No, everybody will be definitely good at something. All we need to do is just sit and think, what I'm good at, what type of information does I have. You can find it, or else you can also find your passion, what you are passionate about, what sparks your interest, on which niche or which on which topics your interest will be sparked, right? On which area your mind and your soul will be connected to. So find your passion and start gaining the knowledge, start learning by watching videos, by learning books, by watching YouTube videos, by google, by going to Google, and start gaining the information, start consuming the information, as much information as possible, and start sharing it with the people on social medias and also on YouTube. Okay, so that you start building your audience, you start building your followers. Now when you continuously post something that you have learned in your journey and in your process, when you can keep on posting every day, you can test your material, right? Like you can, if you can on the video and you have talked about some kind of topic, now a concept, right? You have taken one concept from your interested field and you have created a video and you have posted. Okay, when you are doing this every day, you can see the results, right? You can see for which type of content or which type of concept people are getting connected to, right? Not every video will be getting a lot of views, not every concept will be getting a lot of interaction, lot of traction, right? So by posting every day, we can identify which type of material people are getting connected to. Now when we post videos every day by teaching some kind of topic, some kind of concept from our interested field, we can observe few videos are getting a lot of interactions, lot of likes, comments, and lot of shares, right? What does that mean? It means people love that content and people are interested in that type of content. So that we can have an idea, so that when we create the digital course, we can get idea of which type of content will is very good, because we have created so many videos, right? We are creating the videos every day, right? So that we will be having the idea about which type of content we should be including in our course, so that it will become a very good course. Okay, for example, if you have taken, if you have selected some field and you are learning the knowledge and you are gaining the knowledge and you are sharing it on the social media. For example, your first video may have got a lot of likes, comments, and shares. Okay, and on the second day your video have not reached any people and no, very few interaction. Okay, now again you shared the third video, again same, nobody interacted or nobody, no, you don't have got a lot of reach. But on the fourth day again your video has boomed and you have got a lot of reach with the fourth video. Okay, now you can clearly understand the first video, the first concept you have teached in this video, and the concept in the fourth video has resonated with the people. The people have connected to that concept, right? Now you can add this first concept and second concept in your course. If you are creating some kind of course, if you are planning to create some kind of course, then we can add the first concept and the fourth concept, because we know now the people have connected to this type of concept, so we can include these concepts in our course, so that it can be a course or it can be the ebook. Okay, so that when someone purchase the course, when someone give us the money and take our ebook or our course, when someone purchase the course, we can be 100% sure that our course is completely like life changing for them, and it will be a very good, knowledgeable, valuable thing to our customers, right? So this is how we can start our own digital informational business model, and this is how we can start our own world's greatest business model. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. I discovered all of these secrets by attending the One Funnel Away challenge, the 30 days challenge by Russell Brunson. Okay, it will be like 30 days long program. Every day they will be giving us one video, one mission to follow. Okay, of course I have learned a lot from that challenge, not only about this one thing. Okay, so if you want to join that challenge, if you are interested in doing some such kind of challenge, you can check the link in my bio. Of course, it's my affiliate link, but if you join through the link in my bio, I'm gonna give you some bonuses. Yes, if you join through my link, I'm gonna give you this book, physical hard copy of Traffic Secrets. This is the book by Russell Branson. Okay, this will be delivered directly to your home, to your doorstep, no matter from wherever you are. Okay, it costs nearly $20 to get this book. You can check by going to trafficsecrets.com and you can check the price of this book. Okay, just visit to trafficsecrets.com and you can check the price. Actually, this book is free, but they will be charging us a shipping fee of $20, which means nearly 1500 rupees in India. Okay, I will be giving this book to you for free if you go and join the one for another challenge from my link. Okay, now you can see what type of concepts this book have got. Okay, this is 330-page book and you can see the concepts in this book. Okay, I hope you can see this. You can see here Instagram secrets, Instagram traffic secrets, Facebook traffic secrets, Google traffic secrets, YouTube traffic secrets. Okay, and also a lot of concepts about finding our dream customers, how to find the people on the internet who are like, how to find our potential customers on the internet to sell our course or to sell our ebook, whatever it can be. Okay, now I'm gonna give this book for free to everyone who will be joining the one funnel away challenge, which is happening on 30th of November. Okay, no, on 30th of November, which is happening in just 2 days. Okay, it's not like it's not available on every day. It will be happening just once or twice a month. So this time it's happening on 30th November. So that the bookings will be closed on 29th November itself. Okay, so make sure to go and check the one funnel away challenge and make sure you purchase it by using the link in my bio so that you can get this free book as bonus from my side. Okay, now it's happening on 30th November. If you miss this date, again you have to wait until the next date is announced. Okay, it's completely dependent on them. If you are interested in becoming successful online specifically and in your life, then I recommend doing this one funnel away challenge so that you get a very good knowledge and very good clarity about what you should be doing in your life to become successful specifically on the internet. Okay, with that said, thanks for watching. See you again.